Hello viewers, how are you? A few days ago, I ordered a shoe from online. The online website's name is escore.se. I ordered from there, and today I received the shoe from courier at Sweden by PostNord. So let's go to unbox the shoe from the parcel. I have a knife. Now I am going to unbox the shoe. At first we can see that this is the parcel details. It parceled me today morning. It's a PostNord, and it cost 698 Swedish kron. So don't waste time, let's unbox the shoe. I have a knife. Now I am going to cut the box. Yes, now I am supposed to open. Yes, there are some message. It shows tack for ett du handlar hos oss. Okay, the box came from escort.ac, the website from where I ordered the shoe. It's a New Balance shoe, the New Balance branded shoe. Let's open now. Let's unbox the shoe. Yes, inside the Escort shoe shop box there is the New Balance branded box also. We just bring the New Balance shoe box. Yes, so this is the New Balance branded logo, and this is okay, this is maybe yes, this is the size. I ordered the size number 42, and yes, this is the 42 number shoe. Okay, let's open. Oh wow, there is some document, a document from the online shoe ordered website. There's some coupon, maybe we can check it later. Also there is another document. um, it's my receipt. I have already paid for the shoe, and it's cost 698 Swedish kron, and there are all the details of the shoe brand, shoe size, address, and the technical details. Okay, let's go through. Also there is a sticker from the parcel delivery authority, PostNord. Okay, let's move on. Okay, there's, you can see there is another brand. Yes, it's a New Balance branded shield, the paper shield up to the shoe. Okay, so now here we go. So this is the shoe which I have ordered by online. Okay, so it's a 500, it's the model number of the shoe, and you can see there is a New Balance logo. Yes, and this is the sole. Yes, also wrote New Balance. Okay, and I have ordered the dark blue color shoe. So this is the shoe. Maybe there are some papers inside the shoe. Let's bring it out. Okay. Okay. Nothing is there. Okay, it's a New Balance. New Balance logos are everywhere. So that's it from the box. And another part of the shoe, there is also some papers. Yes, so this is the shoe. That's it from me. So let's wear this, and then I will make some review on it later. So no more today. That's it from me today. So this is just the unboxing of New Balance shoe. So okay, bye bye.